Hey guys, this is Deborah here, aka DD Charles, and I am on this video first to say thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this happens to be your first time on my channel, then welcome, and do me a favor by um, hitting that notification button so when I come back again with these types of videos and this type of content, you will be able to meet me here on these videos, and also subscribe to my channel so you can get some notifications through that I'm on doing videos. Also, if you find value in what I am giving you this afternoon or tonight, then go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me ask the question: how many of you have gotten into business or considering getting into business, and you have heard about affiliate marketing? How many of you have asked the question, well, how do I make money in affiliate marketing, or how do this come about? What's happening? What's going on? Well, let me tell you this. I was the same way. When I first started in my business, I asked the question, well, how do they make money online? I heard so much about affiliate marketing and stuff till I wanted to, come online and see what was going on. How did they make this money online? And then I ran across a lot of people, and I became the queen of jumping in this, that, and the other, trying to figure out a way to make money online and do this affiliate marketing. But I got with a coach, and they showed me the right way on how to market so that you can, create an additional income using through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a business, but you have to have a game plan with it. When I say a game plan, that means that you have to have a system set up where you can monetize uh, your efforts. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna give you three things that you can do. First of all, you can find a niche that something that you resonate with. It could be the food industry, or it could be health and wellness. It could be beauty products. It could be anything like that. That's something that you're sewing, or anything that you resonate with as a niche. You find that niche, and then you have an audience already built, because beforehand you then already learn who your target market is. So you're going to be targeting those people through your niche to offer them those products that you are servicing. And so the second thing, after you then got your target audience together, you know what your niche is, then you want to start looking for valuable content that you can share with your audience about whatever product it is. If it's health and wellness, if it's a energy drink or something, you want to be able to market that without, first of all, without having to just show them the products and all that stuff. But you want to be able to market that to them. And then as an affiliate, you might join I say, like ClickBank. And ClickBank is a great place to get started doing affiliate marketing, because it offers so big a range of different niches and areas that you can go into. So you can pick you one of those, and you can say, hey, this is what I want to promote to my audience. Okay, so now you got your audience done, you got your niche, you then got your content. The next thing you need to do is provide a platform, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. All of those are platforms that you can use to grow your affiliate marketing business. So that you get, because it's a business that works, but you have to work it. You have to have patience, because nothing grows up overnight but weeds. And so you want something that's going to last, and you have taken your time to learn what your niche is. You then picked up the skills that you need to promote your business. So you want to be able to offer that to your customers. So, guys, I hope you have got some value from this content that I was sharing. And if you have any questions that you need me to answer, please leave a comment in the box. Below this video, and also below this video, I will be sharing with you some affiliate programs that I am associated with, as well as my number one uh, 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 way that I make money online, so that you can look at it and maybe something might resonate with you. So if you got any value from this, please leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification button and the subscribe button. And I appreciate you for stopping by my channel again. And I hope you have a great and prosperous day tomorrow and a good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.